Guys, it's your girl Asia and I'm back with another video. So two things I do have to tell you is one, like, comment, subscribe, and share if you're not new here. Two, I am so sorry about the whole series thing. One of the apps that I was using to edit stopped working on me. So because that stopped working on me, that one video that I pushed out, definitely glad I got to push out, but other than that, the serious things flopped. However, I did keep in mind, in the light of the poll that I posted for the other content that I was gonna be putting out, I did keep in mind that I will still be doing that for you guys just when I get this whole editing stuff done. So this video definitely will be edited how I used to edit it when I posted my old videos, but I definitely will be doing some extreme editing to make sure it gets out. So today is my birthday, and I've started this little tradition that I'm gonna do something, I guess, to the extreme on my birthday. So obviously last year I dyed my hair. I didn't record it because I thought my face was butt booty ugly. However, if you want me to post it, just let me know in the comment box, or just via my social medias, which might be down here if I decide to edit it. It's also in the the description box. Just let me know if you actually want to see that, because yeah. Two, I basically just do something new with myself, or I'm stepping into a new age, so I'm doing something new. So when I was, I think, 17, I got my industrial, then, you know, I got my tattoo, all that stuff, and I also dyed my hair. So now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pierce my septum. So basically, yeah, I'm gonna do that now, and, you know, see how that goes. And I'm sure I'm gonna go through with it. So yeah, let's get started. So I sterilized the jewelry. I also washed my hands. I used all this stuff for me to sanitize everything, clean up my nose, did all that. Let's get to the nitty gritty. On my needle, and you see it right here. Hoping you can see it. Got my needle right here. Got my jewelry right here. However, I'm not sure if the jewelry is going to fit the needle thing, so I'm gonna check, because I mixed up my jewelry from the last time I pierced my belly button. So I'm not as good as when I did my belly button. However, I don't have a clamp, so we're just gonna see what happens. And yeah. So yeah. Alright guys, so it's in there. I gotta put one little piece in now. And I will tell you that I did struggle. I did not record my struggle because my struggle was a struggle. But I did record myself putting it through. I think that's what matters. Well, putting the needle through. So I'm gonna put this ball on and I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, so hey guys, it is a couple of weeks later after I put in my piercing, and I just wanted to show you guys that I did it. It's done. However, I'm gonna follow up with this video with the, you know, aftercare or cleaning care, what I did to it on the daily in the morning. So I hope you guys love this video. If you're new here, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not new here, like, comment, and share. I'm gonna be coming back with more piercing videos probably, or more tattoo videos, depending on what else I'm gonna pierce or tattoo. So bye.
No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all